Hello, everyone. This is Shawana Boyer, Florida Realtor, here at the Women's Whole U Expo on today. I provide residential and commercial services here in the Northeast Florida, as well as Central Florida market. So if you're ever in the market looking to buy, sell, or invest, I would love to earn your business. Or if you just have questions about real estate, you can conveniently go to my website at Shawana Sales Florida Homes for more information. I look forward to doing business with you soon.
All exhibitors,
Yes.
whatever your student is.
But don't give up on yourself.
Risk Yes. Okay. So I'm scheduled for November, and then we can
Come out.
Yes.
Yeah. But this is a good so much for tuning in. What I'm about to do is go around and meet and greet so people can know who I am and what I do, because I love helping people get the keys to their dream home. So come along. Schedule a call with me.
Okay.
Let's talk. Let's lay out this plan.
Okay.
You know, like I tell everyone, real estate is a process.
Yeah.
It's a marathon at some time. You stay encouraged and motivated and know that there's healing out. I would love to represent you on your next purchase. Shawana Boyer, all my information on the inside of the bag, okay? Okay, this is the last one. For those of you who are looking to possibly sell your home, even if you're not in the market to sell your home, if you know someone, this is a great insider tip book where I share a lot of inside tips with all of my homeowners as well as buyers. Well, something that I learned along the way, branding, I'm gonna go back. I've been in business helping and connecting consumers with business owners for over 20 years. I started branding myself with Sensei Fashions. Well, actually started out in the modeling industry, Sensei Models. I used to produce fashion shows in the city. So that's where a wealth of people know me from. Hosting fashion shows, being a mentor to teenagers, educator. I was a high school teacher, and now since I pivoted in 2022 into the real estate business, as I mentioned earlier, having systems in place speaks volumes. I can't say that enough. Far too often we overwork ourselves trying to do everything. If you have a team, and building relationships is very important. So when you build relationships, you can build a team, and then having a team, you can have systems that's going to ultimately work for you. So, and how they can leverage your real estate. Not only do I sell real estate, residential, commercial, I help people who want to go into business start their own group home. I started my own nonprofit group home where I help women who was once homeless. I provide shelter to them. You can also vacation rentals. I'm in the vacation rental business. You can also teach and coach. So there's various of different ways that you can make money. And people always tend to say, I think it's kind of funny. Where are you everywhere? Well, that's because I'm doing something. What are you doing? So those are some pointers. Do what makes you happy. Don't worry about what the next person is doing. Don't worry about what someone is going to say about you. When they tell you you're doing too much, tell them they're not doing enough. I believe I answered your question. Sure. Most of you guys are familiar with AI, right? Artificial intelligence, ChatGPT. And there's a host of other artificial intelligence programs and platforms that you can use. While I'm here today, walking around talking to you, my automation is working for me.
Financially, who I am. The other thing that we focus very carefully on.
Where you may be speaking to a vendor, if your number is 442-255, make your way up to the stage. Y'all just clap just for the moment. I need some excitement. It's so dry out here. 442-300. 442-300.